Open it. Look, who's it from? Is that from Santa Claus?
Yeah, for me.
Yeah, for you. Yeah, look. Our rug looks dirty.
Santa Claus.
Yeah, it's from Santa Claus, huh? What is it?
Book.
Show me.
A coloring book.
Come show me.
Show the video.
Come show me. Let's look at it. Come here. Look, you're wearing a Batman shirt too. With the Batman book. Come on, come sit up here. Let's look at it.
There's another one.
Look. Batman book. You know what? You must look at something. Oh, you put the stickers. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Let's find the stickers. That's cool. We'll have to help you put the stickers where they go. Oh, Betty's lots of stickers. Yeah. Oh, this will be fun to put the book in, huh? Look at all the stickers. Cool.
Go
Okay,
open the other one.
The stocking?
No, that one.
Oh.
Well, the stocking too, but grab the other one.
That's the trash bag right here.
Oh.
Bring the wrapping over here and let's throw it away. That's a present. That's what I thought.
That's for me.
Yeah.
That's for my sister.
Open it.
That's yours. Open it.
Open it.
Okay. You're cute.
That's that.
You keep opening it. Look.
Cute.
Is that one from Santa Claus too? Yes, no.
Whatever.
What is it?
A marker.
Yeah.
A marker. This one.
Yeah.
This one like this one like mine.
Who has one like that?
Teacher.
Teacher.
Yeah.
There you go.
Teacher Rusty.
There you go.
I get a color now.
Yeah. Look at the.
Let's open your stocking.
Let's open your stocking first. Shh. These are closed. Later. Let's open your stocking first.
First open your stocking. Okay, hold on. Let's see what's in here.
Oh, wow. Where'd those come? Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, little socks with Avengers,
Huh?
superheroes.
You'll leave those socks on, buddy.
Yeah. Should we put one of your socks
No,
on?
no, 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 no. Don't open that yet.
Should we put your socks on? They have superheroes on them?
Yeah.
Okay. Come up here.
That's
Which ones do you want to wear?
Hulk.
Which ones? The ones with Hulk?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hulk.
Here, come here.
Where is it?
Cool.
The Bentley.
The Bentley. Cool. Okay. Let's open this one.
One more.
Where's that silver shoes?
Let's open it and see.
Avengers.
Samantha bring you adventures?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I ran because I'm against door and hold. He's still out green.
Yeah.
That's red.
You like it?
Oh.
Sean likes them. It's so dark outside.
Yeah, I'll wait till it gets a little lighter.
Bender. Dressed in my D player.
Should we watch it? Okay, put it in his DVD player, Papa.